If you come to Newport Beach, you have to take a tour of the harbor, and the best way to do that is by renting a Duffy electric boat from Duffy Boats.
Taking one of these cute little boats for a late afternoon cruise is a great thing to do together while visiting this beach town.
Anyone can captain one of these easy-to-drive little vessels. You feel like you're really part of this harbor community when you enjoy Newport Beach from the water.
The views from the harbor are amazing. If you're lucky, you'll be treated to some of California's perfect weather while on your little adventure.
We headed over to the Cannery, which is one of the waterside restaurants that allow you to pull right up and dock your boat. You can either go in and eat, or they'll bring the food right to your boat.
It was such a unique experience having snack trays brought straight to our boat. This is something that we will definitely come back and do again.